Today we are going to crochet this beautiful shawl for 6-month baby. For this we need Ganga Desire 4 weight yarn and 6 crochet hook and a pair of scissors, some stitch markers you will also need for this crochet. Today I'm gonna make for the size 6-month. Starting with the slip knot. Now chain 9 and add 1 extra chain. Total we have 10 chains, 10 foundation chain, then 2 half double crochets into the second chain. Put the stitch marker on the first half double crochet. One half double crochet into next 7 stitches. After finishing the 7 half double crochets, make 6 half double crochet into the last stitch. Now 1 half double crochet into the next 7 stitches. Two half double crochets into the last stitch. Slip stitch into the first stitch. At the end of row 1, we will get 24 half double crochets or 24 stitches. For row 2, chain 1. Then 2 half double crochet into next 2 stitches. Put a stitch marker on the first stitch. One half double crochet into next 7 stitches. After finishing 7 half double crochet, now make 2 half double crochet into next 6 stitches. One half double crochet into next 7 stitches. Two half double crochets into next 2 stitches. Slip stitch into the first stitch. At the end of row 2, we will get 34 half double crochet or 34 stitches. For row 3, chain 1. First, 2 half double crochets into first stitch and 1 half double crochet into next stitch. One, then second half double crochet into the same stitch. One half double crochet into the next stitch. Put a stitch marker on the first stitch. half double crochet into the next following stitch. 1 and then second half double crochet into the same stitch. 2 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. 1 1 half double crochet into next 7 stitches. After this, 2 half double crochets into the first stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. This is going to be the pattern for the next 12 stitches. 1 half double crochet, then second half double crochet into the same stitch. 2 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. 1 Repeat this for the next 10 stitches. 2 half double crochet into the first stitch, then 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. 1 2 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. 1 Repeat this. Now 1 half double crochet into next 7 stitches. Last 4 stitches left. Make the pattern 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. 1 and make the second half double crochet into the same stitch. 2 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. 1 then 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. 1 2 1 Now slip stitch into the first stitch. Now crochet sole is ready. Cut the yarn and hide it into the sole. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.